it's Mandy here. Today I'm showing you how I made this night sky background using Brusho. First I started off with the stamped owl image by Tierra Jackson called Owl So Sad, and I pre-coloured it and then I cut out another one and used it as a template on my card to cover the areas where I didn't want the Brusho to go. So I just sprinkled some of the Brusho and then I misted it with some water, and then I blotted up some of the colour and dried it with my heat tool. I wanted a little darker, so I gave it another layer of Brusho and just did the same thing again. You can see that I'm using the black Brusho, but in it is other colours, so you get this natural organic kind of night sky look because you get the blues and coppers. Then I took some star gemstones just to add in the background to finish my card. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!